In this video, we'll walk through a recommended learning path to understand OmniStudio. Let's start with big picture. OmniStudio is built on three layers. The first one is digital experience layer, or we can say user interface layer, where we have FlexCards and OmniScripts. Then service management layer, which is nothing but the brain of OmniStudio, where we have integration procedure and DataRaptors. Then developer experience layer, where we can use some tools like IDX Workbench and IDX Build tool. Highly recommended learning path is to start with service management layer or the backend. We can start learning DataRaptors. DataRaptors are nothing but just like SOQL and DML in Apex development. Then integration procedure, nothing but just like Apex class. Then business rule engine. Once we understand the brain of OmniStudio or the backend, then we can start with UI layer, where we can design some FlexCards and user guided interaction, OmniScript. Then at the last, gets familiar with some tools like IDX Workbench and IDX Build tool. These are some basic interview questions on OmniStudio architecture that you can try. Feel free to comment your answers. From next video onwards, let's start with first component, DataRaptor of service management layer. Thank you for watching.